Good morning, child of God. We all know that faith without works is dead. This morning, I'd like to add a little twist. Faith without thanksgiving is dead. Now, Mark chapter 11 verse 24 says that whatsoever things you desire when you pray, believe you have received them and you shall have them. For example, if you ask somebody for urgent financial assistance and he said, no problem, see me in the office in the morning, I'll give you a check. Even though you haven't physically received the check, I want to believe you'll be thankful, you'll rejoice, you'll give thanks. Likewise, when you pray, if you believe God, your attitude should be one of thanksgiving. That's why Luke 1:45 says, and blessed is she that believed, for there shall be a performance. Another example, when Daniel saw that the writing had been signed, that's in Daniel chapter 6 verse 10, he went into his room and gave thanks. Trouble was coming, but he trusted God, he believed God, and therefore he gave thanks. Child of God, as you pray today, pray with thanksgiving, and you shall have what you believe in Jesus' name. God bless you.